Hey, how's it going? Taylor Grassmick over here. I just want to send you a quick video going over our pay per lead structure and how we've been helping get dentists high value dental leads without taking all the risk on your end. Okay, I'm going to show you how we're taking people that are searching for your services on Google and turning them into in the door patients and hopefully lifetime customers for you. So keep in mind, this is not for everyone. This is for serious, dedicated dentists only who want to increase the number of patients coming in their door every single month. So yeah, let's get into this thing. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be uncovering how you can get dental patients same day and not have to worry about SEO taking forever. As a business owner myself, I wouldn't want to wait 6 to 10 months to see if I'm going to receive a return on my investment or not and know if we're moving in the right direction. So I'm going to show you how we can take the guesswork out of the long term and turn it into short term, getting you leads today. Okay, I'm going to show you how we target high value patients for you, like Invisalign, TMJ, dental implants, dentures, cosmetic dentistry, high ticket procedures to create a higher return on investment for you and spend your marketing budget more wisely. Okay, I'm going to show you how this channel is a perfect add-on or replacement to any existing AdWords or SEO strategy. So if you already have some SEO or AdWords going, this doesn't have to interfere with that at all. This can be something else that you add on top of it to bring you even more guaranteed leads. Okay, I'm going to show you how we're doing this without any risk on your end at all, which is probably the coolest part of this whole thing. Okay, so let's hop over here to Google. If we type in Austin Invisalign, you see we have these ads up here. We have 3 ads. Then we get down to this map pack. Then we get into the organic rankings, which is all good. But what's cool about this section right here is you don't have to wait forever. This is something you can start competing in as soon as today. Okay, down here, these sections take a little bit of time and optimization and really knowing the right strategies, which is definitely doable, but it takes time. This up here is something you can get into today to start putting yourself in front of people that are searching for your services. And just to give you an idea of what people are looking for in Austin, Texas, and how many people are searching for it, see dental implants, 100 to 1,000 people monthly. Invisalign, 1,000 to 10,000. TMJ's 1,000 to 10,000. All these search terms that you guys are providing and all these services you provide, hundreds and thousands of people are searching for them month after month in your city. The size of Austin is like 7.5 million, I think I just saw. So just imagine how many more of these people, you don't even need a lot of them. If you could get 30 of these people in the door month after month, that would probably be enough for you to be more than happy. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we're getting these people that are searching for you and putting you in front of them. So how do you get in this section? Okay, you would think because this is the ad space and people are paying to be here, you would think whoever pays the most is going to get the top spot, right? And he's paying second most and he's paying third, and these people down here are paying fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. But actually what Google does, being as customer centric as they are, is they don't only factor in how much you're willing to pay, but they also factor this thing in called the quality score, which is kind of a fancy way of saying user experience. Okay, and it has a lot of different factors that play into it, like the click-through rate, the ad relevance, all that stuff. And really what we try and do is raise it as high as possible, because you can see in this example down here, advertiser one's paying $2 a click, advertiser 4 is paying $8 a click, but because advertiser 1 spent so much time working on their quality score and really doing a good job of making it thorough, and advertiser 4 spent no time on theirs, advertiser 1 still took home the top ad rank on top of the page, and advertiser 4 took last place even though they were paying 4 times as much. So this is what ends up happening with a lot of different people that pay for Google AdWords people to run their accounts. Is they take a management fee. So they'll be taking like 20% of your ad budget. So let's say you spend $5,000. They're going to be taking about $1,000 of that for themselves and then just spending $4,000. And they don't really care how many leads are coming in because they're getting a flat fee. But we switch this around to a pay per lead. That way we're responsible for bringing you leads. And if we don't get paid. And that's really the key to this whole equation. Okay, so there's a lot of things that play into the quality score. The main one being the click-through rate, which Google's chief economist has said is over 60% of the quality score. Okay, ad relevance and landing page quality are also very, very important things, but the click-through rate is somebody's likeliness to click on your ad. For someone to actually click on this, what percentage of people that see this are engaging with that? And what we've really figured out is this thing here. I'll get into what most people are doing first. Most people are campaigning like this. They have a couple of ad groups and then they have all the key terms that they want to rank for. They have this huge list of hundreds of keywords and they put them all under a couple ads for their business. This is what most people on Google are doing. This is the wrong way to do it, because what this leads to is more irrelevant clicks, more fraudulent clicks, and a lower quality score, in turn raising the price that you're paying per click. And what we've figured out through tens of thousands of dollars of trial and errors, this thing called the one-to-one method is really the way to go. And it's something most advertisers just aren't willing to spend the time doing. But when you do it, it leads to more relevant clicks, a higher quality score, and a lower cost per click than your competition. And what it's doing is it's making each keyword have its own individual ad group. That way we're optimizing for every keyword that people are typing in, every way that people are finding you on Google, and we're setting up an ad for each of those. That way, anytime they're searching for you, no matter how long tail it gets, we're going to have an optimized ad that they're more likely to click on. As you get into the more niche and obscure keywords, like you start adding zip codes in, you start having the word best in front of things, best dental implant person in Austin, Texas, add zip code. As you start getting to those more obscure things that some people do search for, you're going to have a higher probability of conversion if you can match what they're searching for. People like clicking on what they're seeing. You see right here, Austin Invisalign, boom, Austin Invisalign. This one doesn't have it. That lets me know these people are paying more for this spot right here, and it's less likely to click on it. If you type in Austin Invisalign, are you going to be more willing to click on this or these ones? Probably these ones, because they have the word Invisalign that you're looking for, and you know they're in your city, Austin. Okay? So this is really where we come in and are able to really target down these long tail keywords and really optimize your ads as best as possible for each individual keyword. We take care of all of it. You don't have to worry about this stuff. This is just me explaining it so you understand the process. We handle the ad copy. We handle the search term to ad relevance. We handle geographic relevance. That way people that aren't around you you're not paying to be in front of those people. We handle the long tail usage and hit hundreds of thousands of keywords for you depending on what procedures that you do and what you like optimizing for. Okay, we do time and day of week bidding, all this stuff. We set you up a really beautiful landing page. We increase the load speed of your website. We make it more crawlable, easier for the bots and all Google's search algorithms to get you closer to the top. We handle all this. There's really no risk for you at all. We do this thing called a pay-per-lead model, meaning you're not paying any money unless you're receiving a detailed lead form filled out or a call to your office directly. You're not paying for any value you're not receiving. Okay, and this is something most internet marketers aren't doing. We pay the initial cost of setting up the AdWords account and landing page and even bidding on the keywords until you start receiving leads. That lets you know how confident if we're investing money before you even start paying us to start optimizing you and bringing you phone calls. Okay? We don't believe in long-term contracts. We want to be held accountable month after month for keeping you happy and new patients coming in your door. I know as dentists, you guys aren't automatically guaranteed to retain your customers. You have to keep doing a quality job and keeping your customers happy to keep them coming back for every single checkup. So that's exactly what we do, and we're confident if we keep providing you these results and bringing you new leads that you're never going to want to stop once you get started. Okay, so really the only risk to you is if your office doesn't follow up with the leads. If you have people on top of that and people that can handle that and booking different appointments, then you're going to be good. Okay, lastly, I just want to say why I work with dentists. Our values align. You guys are honest and trustworthy and hardworking people, and customer service comes before making money. Before I worked with dentists, I was working with lawyers who are a lot more deceitful and not the most trustworthy characters. And I really wanted to work with people that I feel like I can get along with and people that have my same values. Okay, and you guys are the perfect people for that. Provide honest value to people and make their lives better. I'm doing the exact same thing. I might not be cleaning up people's smiles and making them more confident in the world, but what I am doing is I'm providing a service of providing leads to dentists who otherwise don't know how to get in the game and start bringing in money off the internet, and they don't know who they can trust. Okay, so I'm really giving you guys the easiest shot that you're probably going to get. I handle everything for you. Okay, we're currently searching for a partner in the Austin area. Our team has worked with dentists and we know what works. You're only paying for the leads you get. There's no long-term contracts. We're looking to build a long-term partnership, and we can bring you up to 30 to 50 new patients monthly. Okay, it's really up to you and how much of a budget you want to set aside for it. But we are confident we can get those results for you month after month. The internet is only becoming more and more relevant. How long will you wait to start utilizing this technology? This is one of the easiest offers you guys are probably going to get as dentists as far as jumping into the internet advertising world. I really took all the risk off of you so I can be held responsible and show you the value that me and my agency can provide for you. So I'm really excited. I hope you got some value out of this video. Please feel free to email me. It's at taylor@taylormademarketing.com. taylormade.marketing. And yeah, please email me back. I'd love to set up a discovery call, find out more about you and your practice, figure out how we can implement some of these strategies to start bringing you leads. Okay, so thank you again. I hope you have a wonderful day.